Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect a Facebook business page to an Instagram account. To start, open facebook.com in your browser and sign into the account that manages your business page. It helps to have both your Facebook and Instagram login details handy before you begin, so the process is smooth from start to finish. Once you're in Facebook, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you can access any pages you manage. Select the business page you want to connect to Instagram. You should now be viewing Facebook as that page. This ensures the settings you change apply to the page, not your personal profile. If you don't see the page, double check that you have the right level of access, ideally as an admin. With the page active, click the profile picture at the top right again to open the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This takes you to the control center for your page. In the left sidebar, scroll until you find the Permissions section. Under Permissions, look for Linked Accounts and click it. This is where Facebook lets you manage connections to other platforms. On the Linked Accounts screen, choose Instagram. If an account is already connected, you'll see its status here. If not, you'll see an option to link an account. Click to begin, and a prompt will guide you to sign into Instagram. Enter your Instagram username and password for the account you want associated with this page, then confirm any permissions. Make sure you're connecting the correct Instagram profile, especially if you manage multiple brands. If you use two-factor authentication on Instagram, have your code ready. You may also be asked to allow access to messages, contact syncing, and advertising features. Approve these if you plan to use them, and remember you can adjust them later in settings. After you connect, you'll return to Facebook where the Instagram status should show as linked. From here, you can manage features like cross-posting, syncing contact information, and enabling messaging tools. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and verify you're still acting as the business page. When you manage several brands, it's smart to note the connected handles in your team documentation so everyone publishes to the right place. That's it. You've connected your Facebook business page to your Instagram account using Facebook settings. This connection helps streamline your workflow, saves time on posting, and unlocks business features across both platforms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need a quick refresher.